Hits the edge and the batsman's played all around that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good bowling, it beats him all ends up. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Squeeze a single there, good running. Directed. As a batsman, one should never take on his arm. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. Wonderful sound of the bat, and that's a six. Spinner brought into the attack. That's high in the air. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Oh, bowling, poor shot selection from the batsman. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Impressed by the field sets where the captain is making the batsman play false shots. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Hammered away for four, good placement. Such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favorite players. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Wow, he's picked the bones of that one. Spinner brought back from the other end. And the batting power play comes to an end. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Oh, what a catch. He managed to hang on to that. Just that one to perfection. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. That's in the air. Dropped. That could have been a crucial wicket, but the fielder couldn't hold on to it. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. Put that down. He'll be disappointed with himself there. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. It'd be interesting to see what pace he'll bowl at. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Carved away through the gap for four. That is smart batting. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. He didn't get any timing on that one. No ball called. Batsmen all set to cash in on this free hit. That is glorious. Perfect timing and placement. Will he take him on again? Let's see. Bowled him, brilliant from the bowler. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. Gone, bowled the right length and found the edge. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Spinner back, I think that's a good move. That was fantastic piece of bowling. Oh, bowling, poor shot selection from the batsman. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The close-in fielders should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. It's very important as a bowler to make the batsman play. Good shot for a single. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. You need to try and make them work really hard for each run. This kind of a fielding effort is really not going to help them. High on the bat, and it's a good wicket for the bowler. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Last ball coming up. Well, that's close. The bowler thinks he's out. And the deadly finger goes up. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume this thrilling contest.